Hello friend, I am Naval. You are watching Code with Naval. Welcome to Java series part 52. In our last video, we saw buffer input stream and buffer output stream. In this video, we are going to discuss about data input stream and data output stream. So let's first understand what is use of data input stream and data output stream. Java data input stream class allow application to read a primitive data from the input stream in a machine independent way. For a read a data, it's provide all primitive data type method. For reading an integer, it's provide a integer input stream primitive data type. Character, it's provide a character primitive data type method. It's provide all primitive data type method for reading data. Then we have a data output stream. Java data output stream class allow application to write a primitive data type distributed output stream in a machine independent way. Okay, so let's see all this in a practical. I'll simply open Eclipse and I'll simply create here one class. Okay, let's create here class and I'll simply give data.io stream. This class name data.io stream. Okay, here I'll simply create a main method. Inside a main method, here we need to create a data input stream object. Okay, let's create here data input stream object. Okay, or we can first perform data output stream, then we will perform data input stream, because first we write file, then we read file. Okay, let's remove this and add here data output stream, and let's create here data output DOS. I'll simply create a DOS equal to new data output stream. Okay, here we need to pass either file output stream object or we have to pass here system.out. Okay, I'll simply pass here system.out. Okay, here we simply created this data output stream object. Now we can use the data output stream for writing data. Okay, let's use that. I'll simply use dos.write. Okay, you can see here we have so many options. Here we have a write bytes. Here we have a write character, write chars, write doubles. Here we have all primitive data type method. Okay, for time being, I'll simply use this write bytes, and I'll simply provide here string, any string. I'll simply provide here I am good programmer. Okay, let's add here only I am good programmer. Now you can see this line is a throwing error. We have to add this line inside a try catch block, or we simply add the delegation. Okay, let's add here delegation for time being. And in the last video also we saw whatever connection we open, we have to close those connection, or we have to flush those connection. Okay, let's dos dot flush. Okay, flush this data output stream, then close this data output stream. Close. Okay, here we simply flush, then close. Let's save and let's run this. You can see here we got output I am a good programmer. If any interviewer asks you without system.out.println, can you print any content in console, then you can simply use this data output stream. Okay, or any stream. You have to simply write there system.out and you can able to do that. Now I want to print this text. I want to print this content inside a file. Okay, for that what we have to do? First we have to create a file output stream. Okay, let's create here file output stream object out equal to new file output stream. Let's create here and let's provide here file path. Okay, I'll simply use this file path. Okay, let's copy this and let's paste here file path, and I'll simply give name file name demo2.txt. okay, let's save this, and I'll simply pass here instead of system.out, I'll simply pass here 𝑓𝑜ut. Okay, let's remove this, add here 𝑓𝑜ut, and let's run this. Okay, let's open here file explorer. You can see here we have a demo2 option. Let's open this demo2. You can see I am a good programmer. Here we got I am a good programmer output. Now here we perform a data output stream. Now we want to print whatever we print inside, whatever we write inside this demo2 file. We want to write that file and we want to print that file inside a content. Okay, that we have to create data input stream object. Let's create that data input stream object. Okay, DIS data input stream equal to new data. Simply create a data input stream, and we can simply pass here file input stream object. For that we have to create a file input stream object. Okay, in equal to new file input stream, and here also we need to pass path. Okay, I'll simply copy this, select copy, paste here in a string format. I'll simply pass here // then demo2.txt. Okay, let's save this. Here we simply create a file input stream object. I'll simply pass this object inside here, data input stream. Okay, let's copy paste. Now we have to find, we need to find how many characters present inside a file. Okay, I'll simply create here one variable int count equal to in dot available. Whatever character available inside this file, we need to get those all character. Okay, then we need to create a byte array. Okay, I'll simply create here equal to new byte. Okay, and inside here I'll simply pass whatever character available. I'll simply pass that count inside here. Okay, then here simply we need to write dis.read method. Okay, simply here we are reading those all content, and inside the read method we need to pass this object, this bb object. Okay, let's pass here this bb object. Okay, in a bb we have all character ASCII value, whatever character present inside a demo2.txt. Here inside of this bb array we have all character ASCII value. So now we have to iterate those ASCII value one by one, and we have to print those value. Okay, for that we have to write one for each loop. Okay, I'll simply write here for each loop. You can see this Eclipse provided this for each loop. Okay, so here we simply create a for each loop, then we have to print one by one value. I'll simply add a system.out.print only print this, remove this ln. Okay, then simply pass here b value and save this and close this all connection. First close dis.close, then file input 𝒂𝒢𝒩.close. Okay, let's save this and let's run this. Now you can see here we got ASCII value. So how to convert this ASCII value to character? We have to simply typecast this ASCII value to character. Okay, let's add here character and let's run this again. You can see I am a good programmer. Here we simply got I am a good programmer. Okay, let's comment this file output stream code. Okay, I'll simply comment, then run again. You can see I am a good programmer. Okay, I'll simply open this file and I'll simply write here some other context. Okay, let's add here I like programming. Okay, let's save this and again run this program. You can see first we got I am a good programmer, then I like programming. Okay, so in this video we saw how can we deal with this data output stream and data input stream. Okay, let's uncomment this. Here we simply write a data output stream for write something in a file or in a console. Then we simply read that file and we simply print that data. Okay, here we simply saw these two operations. We will see next topic in the next video. Till that, bye bye.